Mint, also known as mentha or podina, is an incredibly versatile plant that's easy to grow and offers a wide range of uses. You'll be surprised at how many benefits this humble herb offers. Mint leaves are packed with antioxidants and keratin, making them an excellent choice for herbal teas. Drinking mint tea supports digestion, helping to stabilize issues like irritable bowel syndrome and constipation. It's also effective for relieving hiccups. Mint tea has strong antimicrobial and antifungal properties, thanks to its natural nutrients, vitamins, and minerals. All mint varieties are rich in keratin, providing about 1,600 micrograms in a standard portion, helping improve eye health by reducing dry eyes and sensitivity. Mint leaves can be crushed and combined with toothpaste for a natural teeth whitening effect, and its pleasant aroma helps freshen breath. Menthol, an essential oil found in many mint varieties, is extracted and used in health and cosmetic products. Peppermint, one of the most common types of mint, is often used in inhalers to support breathing, reduce coughing, and clear mucus during colds or infections. Inhaling mint aroma helps open and calm the respiratory passages, improving airflow and easing breathing. The scent of mint also helps alleviate nausea and headaches, with peppermint tea being particularly effective. Mint can be used in aromatherapy products like candles, oils, soaps, and balms. Mint oils, when combined with other essential oils, create a relaxing aroma that can aid in reducing insomnia. Mint has cooling properties that help soothe skin irritation from burns, bites, and stings. Rich in rosmarinic acid, mint has anti-inflammatory properties, and its oil can be used in baths to relieve aches, strains, and cramps. The calming aroma of mint is also great for reducing anxiety and stress. A specific variety of mint called bee skullcap has been shown to kill cancer cells by targeting the blood vessels supplying tumors. Mint combined with salt and water makes a flavorful saline gargle to clear up throat infections. The pennyroyal variety of mint is commonly used as an insect repellent, particularly against ants and flies. Placing mint leaves and stalks inside your pet's resting areas can help deter fleas. Mint is a popular herb in cooking, adding both flavor and nutrition to a variety of dishes. When grown in larger quantities, mint acts as a natural deterrent for mice and rats in your garden. There are over 18 different mint varieties, each with its own distinct flavor. Mint plants are perennials, growing back every year with minimal care. To promote a bushier, more productive plant, regularly harvest leaves throughout the growing season. Mint flowers are also edible and can be used as a fragrant garnish for your dishes. Mint is incredibly refreshing when added to iced drinks. Simply place mint stalks in a bottle of water and refrigerate for an hour, creating a refreshing and healthy beverage. Mint sauce is another great way to enjoy this herb, and it pairs perfectly with roast meals. Here's a simple recipe. Ingredients: 1 cup fresh mint leaves, half a cup coriander leaves, 1 green chili, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, half a teaspoon salt, 2 tablespoons yogurt or water for blending. Method: add all ingredients to a blender and blend until smooth and creamy. Your fresh mint sauce is ready, tangy, cooling, and perfect for any meal. Mint is truly a superfood, providing excellent nutritional benefits. Regular consumption combined with the healthy lifestyle can bring fantastic results. But above all, love is the most important ingredient in life. Please note, this information is for educational purposes and is not a substitute for professional medical advice. Consult a doctor for any health concerns. Thanks for watching. Let me know in the comments what topic you'd like to see in the next video.